cheaper.
I think we pay and share.
Come on, Meche. Meche, Bagwai. Yeah. Mvunuchi. Check one.
This thing is gonna chill. He's a puncher.
As I found somebody, as I found
chill, he's a puncher.
So, man, I'm gonna need one to wake up tomorrow.
Huh?
Yeah.
For you? But we'll go over this postcode.
So, I looked at it and I class.
Yeah, the fact that you food in there.
After shot. Ela, I'm putting what you say. Ela, I'm putting what you say. She said, Mechi. Fuck.
Baba said,
Baboni's in it.
Baba said.
Oh, shit. Listen. That doesn't sound as couch. That's what doesn't. Mate, Bob. All the hands are tomorrow, bro. No hands. Like, please don't call no hands. Please don't call no hands, no hands. The bars are talking them back. Oh, don't phone it out. Phone it out. Phone it out. But no. Bro. Jimmy, come inside. They figure it out.
They actually the first time.
What am I looking for? Oh, and it's after 12, so we've got data for years, boy. Fuck. Yo, I told them I supported gambling. For sure. Because by the time I was fucking the money, go pay trace in these. Tell me the best by the.
I sent you that. And then if only that's really.
Aha.
Otherwise,
Now they charge of funding.
Message of me number 1202. Cool. That's when you answer. It's so crazy. But when I send a message, what's a got one figure out.
Which one I cut down, bro? Oh, she followed. Bella. Fuck. They don't send a link. Hey, bro. No, relax. Who send a ayaka Coastal Hotspot go YouTube.
You can just tell it to go.
Bro, just please, bro. That our numbers. He's my big brother, but fuck him. Fuck it. Bro, he never listens to me, so the only way I can make him listen to me. It's only 30 seconds. Hey. Shout out Nicky! Nicky boy! So guys, please follow Coastal Hotspot.
In the building, man.
So this was my birthday. Actually, before that, we actually met Usi this day. Ndofire. We met him through Injaya with Bills. Yeah, with Bills was funny. Bills was better than crack. I mean, crack. What better than me like a crack? Father, crack. But anyways, this is Jimmy. Let us fuck.
I'm not lit.
It's lit.
Not.
The evolution of trap music. Now, trap music is just, a dope boy's philosophy.
Okay, let's do it.
We're gone. This is Jimmy.
Yeah.
Lit.
It's so nice to wake up, eat, just go back.
Did you listen to the show?
Kwasa kaloku. The fuck, Jimmy?
The fuck?
Come on, Jimmy. Fries the best times, bro. Choco corner. Choco, oh my god. What a time to be alive. This is my birthday. This is my birthday. I can do no matter what song.
I'm breaking up with you. You're failing me.
This is our life right now.
And even that's not working out. I deserve more.
I'm dropping my song midnight.
Because I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah, well, it sucks to be you, don't it? Cause then my chucks drops at midnight. Let's go. Talk to me later. We live in a meet up.
This is good. Let's see how long it's
Guys, we're gonna come back to Ilenduka reactions when we finished with Ilenduka. Phone calls.
What phone calls?
Now it's phone calls time.
I'm not calling no one. Corona. Tati, but link.
It's among you and walk most of us open the link.
So, now, so we choose on that. So choose on that. Keep using
web. That's the only way you're gonna log in. Uti Ulenduka. Uti Ayaka, she just subscribed. Let's check. Last time we best go 10 was.
And please subscribe.
Bro, please subscribe. I don't think we have Twitch logged in here. It's not Twitch on any day. So streamer was Nangons. I say bro. Yeah, that's Twitch every day. Ibras must figure Saturdays or what? Like there's other brothers of no fake. Like who's of no fake and stuff. So let's go check. Streaming. We've only got 2 new viewers. One of us views by 2, which is Unseka no.
I'll be safe. Then at some phone and at the same time. The dog is some phone and just declining from the top period.
Oh, also if many phone yet. Don't tell my text the guy rate.
Sorry, go away.
Oh, Aya. Cela ulenduke Brian. Cela follow isho ku stream sethu ngo. Zakusendela ya. Kanti kusendele kaloku. Zakusendela ka YouTube.
And ngokuba napha le message yayo waphendula uzofonela isona.
Yeah? Yeah, ngena ku YouTube leyo yokuqala le ndakusendela yona.
Come to the way.
Eka Twitch ndakusendela ngoku for stream. Lena ka YouTube yokuqala iyo. Ebekustream uthina?
Cho, I told you your poop is popping out.
Yima ke ngoku uthi
I told you. Uqalele nalibele velile.
uthina yena uthi kuba nibelela kubevele kustream.
Yeah, shout out to Tina.
Kodwa jonga
There's nothing bad.
uthina wenza into right kodwa
There's nothing bad.
because nami njenatsho bana niyazifaka next time bana niya-accepta bana ningene kwi-stream sethu but andiboni into wrong with thina yenzileyo usibonisile qha next time basilungise ntoni.
What happened? What you going to do?
Kaloku siyaxolisa nathi siyaxolisa but
Simamele uhlombe. Yeah.
ithi mungasenileleke ka-oza kufanele oza.
Lisa. Simamele uhlombe. I told you not to talk to uhlombe.
What's wrong with me, dog? Oh shit, I got a cold tea.
Yeah.
Nah, brother. I think there was a W stream, but I want to call Tina because of Tina. I think she held us down. What do you think? My dog, based on what you also, my dog.
Bro, you told me switching that shit off. That's like
Bro, I told you streaming till morning, like till we sleep. Come on. Bro, us is on 2 ticks right now. Crazy. Shout out to McG. McG is my guy, bro. Zanbonisa ngoku. But I just need my hand. Hello Zaza.
Zaza back.
Hello Zaza. If you're in phone yam.
Bro.
Shout out to me.
Okay, yeah. So you happy? You happy you got your phone? We happy for my phone yako?
Yo, umile line before.
Ndiyo.
Happy for my phone yako?
Ndifumene.
Are you happy?
So that means basa uthetha ngo.
Sawuthethe sasiphinde siyike.
Okay, so awuyilibelanga la bendithethe kuwe. Serious. Yeah. Okay. Sakufonela ngomso ke. Sekwe-stream ngo.
Yo, show nakutokela wena.
Sinqama chim. Sekwe-streams.
Is it that?
She dropped the call. I'm going out on a date tomorrow. My nigga balling.
I'm not
My
buying
nigga Jimmy balling.
me.
My nigga Jimmy, he
I
balling.
almost lost my finger. I almost lost this finger.
But-
But when I ring.
He knows. 11's over the sun on the stream, dog.
Okay, all I know,
My dog, I was gonna show them something.
I don't know actually.
He promised me.
Me?
Yeah, the kaka then.
Mad. What was about this stream? What was going on?
Bangazubalisa, dog. I was gonna show them a video. Just bambi stream the better man they come
Guys, Jimmy.
Uchimi kaloku cofa ntoni why ucofa nyako?
The phone yakho Jimmy akakayiqhelile into uba uzoncokola yedwa.
I don't understand.
Awuqanda utsango wakho. Jimmy. Otherwise khona umuntu nje uthi ngumavathi. Uyaxolisa kangafiki. Wait. Where's the boy son? Danko. Askis bros. Date no. Ngomso ndiyavuka fanele ndiyo phanda. Le weniya kuyo. Mhlawumbe nemali yovusela nomuntu uyakuyo kwi-deals efumana kuyo.
Bro. Ngake wena bra wena. Come again.
If you not tell me to, Islam. It's on island.
Ngake wena bra wena. Ngake wena.
No? We have the streams that.
Somkhangela.
Funa ba.
Bravo, ngibone kale kalokho.
Anazwa anezwa mvakade.
Somkhangela.
Going
Facebook.
Nabana a lot of people like this. Abenza into ezingajambiyo.
Bro, but you promised me manza uzawumecha nomuntu olele.
Mhlawumbe ku-stream.
Angustream.
What? Okay, go on. Pray me.
But you did promise me though that I'm gonna have.
I can still do that, but you don't have to tell them about it. What if she's watching? Why should they see the clip? Come on.
I didn't even say shit though. What am I looking for?
I don't know. Anao. Nanko. Anazwa. Anezwa. Ya, uzawufuna ngibone video.
Yeah, kutheza vilukayo.
Iyangifona. Like, cela besikhala nje. Fazenda ngibonisa la khona kahle.
Is this her?
Ifiki ndijoke tata ndizini. Bwa.
Hey, is this her? Is this her?
Yeah, so. Akhona indoda prakhologi yakho. Isister
Must
cousin.
react.
Sister cousin makazi.
Oh
I'm
my
like, what
god.
the fuck? Did you miss your family or what?
Okay, actually let me scroll down. Oh. 2026 GCIP
Yeah.
SA Awards.
They don't know.
What's that?
She's like, come tell us about it.
What's this though? Business. I think she's my type. Business innovations. Yeah, I think she's my type, bro. Where's she from? Where's she from? Oh.
I would never elaborate or whatever, how I know.
Okay.
I know
Yeah, no. You don't need to tell, bro. Like, I mean, we're gonna find.
They're gonna find out one day. Coco about, I don't know.
So she's selling the thing.
Yeah.
That's hair from.
She's very happy, man. Probably a page. I can't say it's not Islam.
Nah?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's nice.
We are posting anyway.
Can't plug the sister. I'm
Jaivada.
Can't plug her. God, I don't know my other sister.
You know, now there's a military get a description. Jonah. That's nice.
Actually, I was plugging the sister. Matter of fact, nope.
That's what makes your color. Promotion gone. Fuck them. Yeah. My daughter, the reason I watched this, because the other reason I was doing
10.
2M.
Don't fade. So it's for cash now. Sell them for cash.
I think about how we plan, how to decide, how to. I can't when putting among Muslim, remember? Nigeria, and I love this guy. We have put about good contract, but Catherine Muslim, no, my Nigeria. Benziti now. Please, I won't elaborate. I'm gonna.
I'm a Nigeria. But we always spoke about it.
Besides, I was talking about something else.
I was speaking about these hands. Speaking about these hands, bro.
It was not just
bro.
Yeah, but you know, this was the moment for them to. This how I said.
I think I want to vent now, bro.
I'm not going to be from young to bring a little bit time now.
Ah, fair. Now you spoke the truth, bro. Talk about my dog.
Come up to me, learn from the cleaning feature him now. That's it. That's the coolest thing. I'm cool looking picture. You're right. Get police in
Ima othi nabo besifana ngabefuna awesome. Hey. Actually.
Funny.
Fit.
The last time I spoke to Tim Mango.
Oh, actually, first of all, maybe.
First of all, Tim Mango Eben was stuck.
Eben Rush.
First of
Eben
all,
Rush.
yeah,
Don't go for it.
can I go bring Bombe first of all?
First of all. Yeah. First of all. Awuhlambi yonke loo nto. Bhayela Xhosa ways is the way, dog.
Hello, I no ringa nawe.
Awufundi. Okwenakhona
Taka.
ethanga.
Imingeni ezizakho. Aberasha.
Ngiyabona ngoku that's my train of thought. I feel like usifiso.
Mafitozo. Yeah.
I feel like my thoughts musicals.
Yo, the last one you watched.
Yeah.
I didn't like it now. If
Nah.
I didn't.
Yeah, no, I didn't like it. I think Golden Luca. Oh, but don't you talk?
I was gonna be humble, don't worry.
Talk.
Don't worry.
No, talk.
Maybe yabona cool how I took it. But cool.
Right, like that's what. Yeah.
But no cool. Udlala ibhola nabantu abakushiya nge 3 years.
Yeah. Phones proof.
No matter. Because your age told you him. Like I took it from me. When I was playing ball from that was under 13, same year under 13, under 15, under 17. So same year.
Yeah. Like
So on the weekend you just happy.
As if I.
So in the all sakhe no young they already know his him. Yabo? Now abantu bancedisa they know it's him.
But sabang right figure walantu.
So ngibona lo hlobo
Do you know how I took it, bro? Like I took it from yakhumbula ngoku bendifunda eKing. If yakhumbula was bendifunda Lovedale but bendihlala eBallas. So into ebesenzeka eBallas mina bendifunda
that's why I'll always beef you when about ngohlelo endlini kokwethu.
Yeah, ekhaya. So mina ekhaya bendifunda like esikoleni bendifunda financial management. Hlala nomakhulu wami undipha financial management ngokwendlu. Ngihlala nebra zami zindipha financial management ngokwantoni ngokwebusiness. So and then abantu endihlala nabo ke ngoku bahlala eRes bona. Bona financial management bayiqala esikolweni. Mina ngiphila.
That's why ngisho ngobona when you came to visit me the birthday yakho yam.
Yeah, quite birthday yakho.
For me ndangiqoma ba yena wena uphila ubomi more than us. Because that's what imagine.
Like ndifunda ngoku.
Even now what I chill ba.
It's now,
Bro, the only reason ngafumana ndingaphuma ekhaya if ngafumana le mali ndirenta for me imali ngiyathula ekhaya. Let's say I'm getting money ngoba okay.
Yeah.
I don't do colors side. Bayithathe i-black tax yami le. Ndiphuma ekhaya kodwa i-black tax yami ndiyayazi izafika. Ndayika loo nto. I think ndifundiswe ngumsebenzakho.
Yeah. But I'd rather pay AMA black tax not to my mom and dad but to my siblings.
Not even that. Maybe. But I'm saying something I've never said. About how my house looks now.
Yeah.
Mom wanted my sister to buy a house for herself, but it's like imagine. I know where I come from. I know Mama Wamwena, and you've always told us about bone, but the kitchen benje, wara. Mama said, each group here, but in this and you don't have a house, and it's one organ. This I don't, but I was so. Yenza neba xa kungena utata kunye nomama endlini ngoba shout out.
Right.
Yabo.
Also shout out.
Yeah.
So yazi nangathi that's what I've always been saying.
Pink, yeah.
What's going on?
You like content on the phone yakho.
Kaloku yena phawu khona. But is like lena kudala sengiyisho kodwa abana mna if you notice abantu endifana nabo mna you can even notice from uhlobo endikhula ngalo like the niggas I've always been friends with ngabantu baseTranskei. And I'm not saying that mistake as if nanyanza or anything, but everybody who has come from the Transkei has always come eMonti knowing that akukho mntu waseMonti. We're all here to work. So that's why if honey zehlala nazo zizaphi?
Zasekhaya.
Yeah, ezasekhaya kwenzeka ntoni kuzo sizivana naso. Sibetha ngekhwelo kwethu.
Before we hit them with the credit.
Basibetha ngekhwelo kwawo. Because why? They're not our type of honeys, bro.
Not even dance.
No, bro.
Dance. I'll give you an example. Who did I get? Okay. It was
I've been single, so
yeah, it was 2023 most.
Oh, fuck it.
That's I'm lucky you go.
I am pursuing.
I'm pursuing. You're communicating that year. You remember how 2022, 2023.
Last year.
2023.
Last year.
It was 2025 last year.
Last year.
2023.
Fun low asafha ngibuza which year?
You can.
Okay,
For
last
me,
year.
2020, yeah, I can. 2023. So,
Yeah.
please remember how
2024 for you.
2023.
Last year 2025, 2024.
But I don't think I will pay them 2023. This is even money to tell you. If you remember how it happened, Lamuret Baranga, I mean, I'm going to lose any train of thought. Fuck, tell me. This is not, no, nah.
Show your hands, my dog.
How, but what happened? Because I'm going to give you an example. Show me, yeah.
Then Teta hands that they don't behave. Especially when in relationships. Bro.
Yeah, you're talking about Hans from Metronska. People from
Metronska,
Transcar,
yeah.
So
Your side than my side.
Yeah, I was giving an example about Lungu at why wapi?
King.
Life wenzeka, wayibona ipicture, wayithanda iTranskei guy because limene. Yabo?
Yeah.
Nasike phonini, iTranskei guy ngaba andibasinike izinto. So when did you phone when text? If you're dinga, can call me, then I know you need me. Yabo? And then how we lost communication, watch remember, I don't like what you like.
And
cause you're not for me, funa tibe na romantic boy. Atumene ubanba. I was like, okay, they understand what you're telling me, but when you pale, or tell about the phone, you full panel. And I'm like, I see.
As connect. And if I next hands this lap today, if you realize I was always confused, Bana. Why is Oaya not? I always thought Oza is Oaya, Oya is Oza.
Because every time they told you that.
Yeah, they did tell me that.
Every day.
And then I told Oza, Bana, bro, please just know me for me. So none of this was why is also I was? And then also was man. Maybe bro. Who you think I am?
Yeah, I get you. Dagoba Tams. Dago. Commusos of the chatting. I don't like you this thing. I want you to see them under the upper. Don't be with you. The phone message. Over there. Huh?
This is Carter's news and for
yeah, who's this guy? Who's this person?
Let's look for this person.
He knows you though. Because you call my sister, I'm going to show my sister.
Nah, let's look for him.
Do culture. Nabayang lapha. And this music no put man the lap.
What's the name of the dog? Session.
Why would you be culture vault? Shout out to you for posting in the YouTube. Bamasi London. But the culture vulture. If vulture was Satan. Vulture is Satan.
Yeah, that's him.
You know him.
Yeah, I know this dude.
That guy posted or shared. Sorry, yeah, no.
No, for
and like
fuck, my eyes are blind. But I wanna read. Good day. Shit.
Good day, my friends.
Yeah.
Good day, my friends and comrades. Coastal Hotspot have started a Twitch page and we'll be having the first stream tomorrow. Please do follow them by clicking in the link below. I promise to bring local Eastern Cape creators onto the stream and creators. Okay, but a much needed platform for our local entertainment scene, which will hopefully create a little buzz within Ipondo. Please do follow and support. I'm not digging up.
Can't even the yako because he also posted.
Mama.
But Kaban.
I'm different Africans. Man, it's not me.
Come on, they can't jog it. Actually, okay.
Man, trick.
Online, how sure?
Huh?
Online.
Facebook is my life.
Hey, shit, I can't read for shit.
I really think.
Hey, Eastern Cape. Matter of fact, Molweni Epondweni, we have been having conversations with local music makers, content creators, and athletes about state of the entertainment industry in our province and just everything else. We have noticed that even though there are platforms being built, we are still missing that one
And it's us.
that unifies us all
It's us.
and pushes the movement. We have decided to form Coastal Hotspot. Shout out Coastal Hotspot.
And the building back out in the cold.
Which
I can go visit the video and you don't
ndibone bralo ndifune zambe ngifuna ndifune gqibile na qala
Yeah.
mamela apha wena nkosi lona ntanga
Hayi. Angumntana
ntanga nkosi kwendini
ngosifuna sushi. Sushi is
okay ke masiva apha.
I don't think.
Hey Eastern Cape, matter of fact, Molweni Epondweni. We have been having conversations with local music makers, content creators, and athletes about the state of the entertainment industry in our province and just everything else. We have noticed that even though there are platforms being built, we are still missing that one platform that unifies us all and pushes the movement. We have decided to form Coastal Hotspot, which with the support of you all could become that unifying platform. We have identified streaming as the most economical way of starting all this, hence the decision we have taken
Subscribe.
of starting to stream on Twitch. We'll be all streaming with we'll be starting streaming with a pilot stream tonight at 7:30. Eight. We'll be starting with a pilot stream tonight at 7:30, so we could love for you all to follow us on our newly created Twitch account, which is below. Your interaction will also be much appreciated as so.
You don't know this shit. Science and Loadly when we bought that fake alcohol. We did this in Loadly some time.
In the building, baby. Out in the cold.
Can you?
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hela, do you know we've got a live? Actually.
Live.
No. Check this, bro. Check this.
No.
Check this.
Fuck your time, but I basically
Oh, so Titina now, so she doesn't know that we live. Oh my god. Don't send the number again. And I'm just react to Ile Luke. How about that?
But what you gonna say to her?
Just reacted to Lewe.
But what you gonna say to her though?
Non covered.
Yeah?
Yep. Bro, that's actually the way, bro. They have my brother.
We can react, but I'm
But you have to focus,
I'm
though.
trying to have this conversation. I need to have.
Which conversation?
Let me phone number because I'm thinking about Zongola and I go tell.
Ah, I think I don't need her number.
Then they think because Zongola and I.
Let's react to this though.
Huh?
Let's react.
Let's react to something.
But you focus on your phone.
I'm trying to send someone.
Send something.
I'll be back.
Kwango, do you know this dude is from?
Who?
Is from King Williamstown. The song I'm about to play.
I was so sad, man. Buy cheaper than that. That day I was so disappointed when you didn't know it's from. Why? No, we saw it. Whoa! I was serious.
This guy, bro, is from King Williamstown.
That's my boy, though.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to get
Nice. You gonna play how much?
Imagine being able to build just by
I'm not really
S44, a complete AI creation platform.
when they're cupola. Shout out Coty. Benza kubonisa nto nje.
I don't know.
Ibona lona sabuya sibona.
Uthefondini uzonibonisa ise-react kwi-minute esekapa. Awunibonisa ubonana.
Ilanga lokubeka sifonde. Bo, one need a slap.
And
One need a slap. Upeni usana dropa guys.
khange uye nekaseni kwinto yakhe.
And so makaze yena qala kwi-stream sethu. Dala saza kwento zabo yena. Come to our stream and then we'll come to your shit.
Uzama ngachat ifuna
Sekubheka.
uzama ngachat lesi. Le ninga le wa ngepete kaluthi.
Hey, bafuza ngekho.
Okay, wani manager kabe.
Oh, mina ngithatha nje.
Beka ukhozo sana.
Ana qali. That was a cool crowd. Ubuta bench.
You must remember that. Also, so YouTubers way. Bafika ufake
That's a
i-colors. Like iphama. Ingazwe.
Bese search abantu.
That's why I saw Facebook.
Bese search abantu.
When we customer sports review making minutes zakapa.
Yeah.
Yeah, then also sibasende lipa. Consena sipa dasa sizenze.
Cause yeah, isakhumbula. Okay, alright. Actually masidlala ezasebhayi kule nuka sele stream sethu ngoba so xa kho udon.
Yeah, cause we hit ba.
Yeah, hit.
Yeah, but we hit.
I hit. Our don is always a
Ah, we
hit.
hit I mean.
But you keep for me.
Why don't you do it?
Why did you do it?
Because you're an animal.
Animal! Ah!
I'm the name, the ones.
Okay now.
Bro, have the video. Yeah. Watch it.
Boss, I'm gonna kill you now. Extra.
Some cousin watching back. I wasn't gonna fast up. When you know, because my had a feeling we the 50 is calling the steps.
Yeah, but I can't.
But like the customer spot. Next year, you're going to mameli. But she never knew him come by the mama mameli in the case.
I can't relating.
Whoa.
Maro, go to me. Oh, really? Boy, hands on that. Take quack, 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 quack. But I take quack, hands on your phone tongue home, so imagine.
Mama's coming back.
No, mom.
She's not.
No, she's coming back Sunday, bro.
Is that?
Sure. Sunday.
I'm rich tomorrow.
My wife. Adidas for the mullah. Oh shit, shout out Koti. Tico Martinez for the mullah. For the small nanny. Oh shit.
Ba, esehlungile balapha.
Yeah. So bethi khweza ngitshela lakho cuz.
No, quite hell. Manje le nkqubo ithetha bendicinga ngoba siqala ukwenza stream.
No.
Le kathe.
Oh shit.
Because yonke into ka-customers yenze naye, to be honest.
Yeah, I remember.
Even namagama neitsha nentoni, yeah.
Cuz
So ngoba siyenza stream
benza ndithetshela ngoyasti ngokubanela what a great name. But I wish I could tell you that's Jimmy.
No.
But it's not even him. That's his hat. Ex-hat. But I can't even remove this device. Connect. Bro, connected to we.
Speak. Doesn't quite taste. But when we spend us.
No, it's the stream. That has Lindo come in. We're just gonna play 30 seconds of some songs before we disconnect the stream. Yeah. But we can't play the whole songs. Like where you want it and then where I want it. But we have to be close away.
Eastern Cape.
Yeah. I'm finding close away. Tiny goes. Still holding on next.
Asibazi abantu wayeze kube umuntu kodwa.
Kubana babantu. Imagine.
Ngabangojuliet yena.
Next time this is a morning goes score. Imagine. Yo vai, njayike yeah. Anu bazizapaka noise amka bazizine rappers rap. Yeah. The village chat. Knock job, Oh, 2 shows kabirao. Give me no. Oh, give me no. Ki 2 shot. 2 shot abriao. Utikara 2 shot
Carvas.
Give me. Get the shot.
Ngokwayikhala izitsiko band.
Ki 2 shot. Ki 2 shot akimina. Oh, 2 shot. Akimi.
Bakafundi yakangibiki.
2 shot abriao akimina mfana. Kimi. Get 2 shot. Utikarang 2 shot.
Oh, when you're spiker. When spiker.
Rang, mafada.
Only chillas fighter, let's see.
Boy, I try to say fuck it. Relax. You know what we're having backup music. Yeah. Yo.
You're right.
Yeah.
Watch your phones on the game.
Oh my god. No, bro.
Speakers connected. Please put your phone on.
Yo. Fuck. Bro, my phone's off, dog. I swear to God.
Phone is off.
Yeah, bro, but all the time.
My god.
Bro, as of God, the sound here is always going to be vibrating throughout.
You said I must play music. Come on. Then we need to vibrate.
Andiamo design sound on the laptop. Yeah, man, shout out. Bah, can't wait till find this shit, bro. Go, I just nice, But at least
You were in your 20s.
You were in your 20s, in the 80s, 90s, bro. The 90s, bro.
So as we understand.
So, understand about the plans to get to Manchester United on stream tomorrow.
I'm gonna say that it's just that way now. You lived this before. And we never posted that.
It's a stream, ne? Bro, I can't touch. Fuck, man, that's my mom's phone, dog. Jesus, mom. Hell, fuck, bro. This is gonna be so bad on the streams. Oh, fuck. Bro, I'm
Just restart this shit. I can't restart this.
that's it. Hello. Yep. Yeah, Jens, my kid. No, we can't hear our mic, but shit, man.
Yeah, go YouTube.
Stream now. Stream now. Daddy. Come on. Done. Khawucheke ngoku sinjani. Goes it Don. Daddy on the stream, boy. Yeah. Come on, Daddy. Khawucheke ngoku mntakwethu, ngicela usichekele mntakwethu i. Khawuchonge ngoku ingxaki besisandozicima ngoku.
Asiziva ngoku, besiziva. Ithi. Oi.
Daddy. Yeah.
Love you loads, boy.
Gosim Koloa. Hey, ngathi wena ngicela camera women yethu kule weekend.
How's on say?
Danny. Oh, we are because of stream ngalamini. Awe my father. Oh, spugele kalijaya because we support them. When start says Danny to the place. Goes in that way. Tamar.
Kama ufuna ukubona isihlangu zami wena. Ndikuxelele bathi awufuna ukubona isihlangu zami ezintsha njengekhathi.
Oh, ngicaba ngendidlayitanga le nto. Iyambona?
Uyandiva na.
Zayilayita njani?
Atitch. Because you know the tip of your line is right there. Kulua uyalala kesozela.
Andodiyozela yelala.
Ntanzo ndibone ngokumlumayo ngokweqaye ngiqala bangawo.
For this dude, let's say.
Ayinendime ngayo kule weekend. Uba unsika walala emotweni sombeka. Exoxes.
Hey, uvile light. Oh.
Ayixoxe isiJohn. Last week in Coach City into endala kangaka umkhulu welaliso. Wena ngikhoma hayi.
Ela kamamele we.
Ifumene ifosa yakhe.
Ya, ubonile kanti. Beke flexela wena pha. Ben phone again. Oh shit. Jimmy because the hotspot because he nabantu ngababona. Yeah, I'm talking about Melissa something. Come on, Mela, from the dog. Same time, I have to put on, bro. I'm trying to put on this boy.
How? Why don't you play there? Play
as a fan.
So let's begin.
Yeah.
I think I'm different. Just going out.
Bethi nguyinsa lelwana.
Ngiyinza nje mina.
Uyinsa.
Makenzi Jones kahle. Amani phone yakho nazi phone yakho.
Ekuyinsa leli kucelela futhi.
Ngiyinza ngohayina.
Kuhayina uyinsa. Situko sakhe.
Kuvetswa is hayina.
Kha. Ni phone impisi nyani mo.
Ngizimfisi. Yani icacela ngaleyo. Ile nazo hayina. Yinizokuthi ngiyahleka. Nipinda. Abona lena etimbaza eking. After that, nailing it.
Yo, listen this boy.
There's a song. Perfect. But the moment
on the map, bro.
The guy in the police, boys. Son.
One more song. One more boy. In the vicinity, I am a savage with chong. Solid two balls on this wall.
Yeah, I am a no man.
If only you are.
Yeah, man, no, see. Can I go on YouTube and play something?
Yeah, I go on YouTube. But look, 30 seconds. Man. Oh,
As long as it's motion. Le nani yabomvu kweza 92. The rest of me was him.
Chok mamela.
Lola kube be weak.
Mamela,
You know play man so kama rule. Mamela. Guys, siyaphulisha ngokapha bo. Manje sikhathi the king of flash. Uflash akadla ne1. Kadla ngoma ka flash siyasela ngqona. Yeah. Ngala ngamnelmo ncema phangano yina. Sala phansi. Ndingothanda ukuthi and force wayichona. Mhlanje?
Test session.
Balapho. Oh, phone.
Kaloku uzoyidlala.
So ngeke YouTube music
Masenduke. Masoconnecta kulenduka futhi.
What's the name of the platform?
Nduka. Kanifake kuyi-Bluetooth. Sidlala lapha espeakeni.
Okay, team
Can't disconnect.
Don't know diamond. Is it black or something?
Yeah. So I search up.
Okay, like a bright camera now. I've always told him about the corn limit. Born searching it. Bright diamond at least. For him, oh, so
Doch, seid ja nur von Art mit diesem Mixaul von Was ist Tatilo? Muss ich da viel? Stata kwanza kwa Romania.
Jeff. Ofuna left wing. Yeah, funny. Dan chiba uzokulala lapha wethu. Dan themba uzokulala lapha wethu. Uzolaliswa ikhanda lakho. Dan soyikula uba ulaliswa sizicwama. Yabona bangakulalisa ngokungayo. Abanani bacingela. Fuck misingafuni umsobra siyophanda. Bo. Fa. Wenze ngibali phansi. La, skali ufuna kumile ne? Tayenza ngalali phansi. Tayipheke fine. Ifake yonke bayikule mntu ufuneka ngenze gata. Boy, yena ngiconnect isikinze semalinda. H2 Moses speaker sakhe. Asikho nobakho apha. Yela. Asikho speaker sakhe apha manje.
Sabani hanzo.
Asikho speaker sakhe kamera ngifuna lezo zinto. Mina ngaba serious abantu ngidala.
Oh, mntwana.
Ngithulisa lolu.
Phone yami le.
I'm trying to funa ukuthi ntsebile la nyama.
Ndoni tena Mfanele utseki.
Kuyifanele.
Uyathi.
Kubathela nathi basiqala bayisangu litho wrong bese lungisa. Best channel. The player happy into.
Uthini lo ngokufuna?
Ba. Sounds good as well.
Ndiyafundisa ngokubhala njengoba izinto ezithele. Adini nashona.
Ba. Ayenze sazolule ngoba nango.
Oh,
ngiyangqokola athi lusizenza ukukhala. Ngithe ngazo bende ukukhala yo mina.
Umshana ukhwe.
Kana mina bende umnandi. Ba suba nami bendifuna uNetflix.
Bo, uzofaka uchannel ngoka straight. Bo,
Drake. Kaileze.
Oh, it is. Oh, that's fun.
What do you mean?
I've been going to channel about Drake this year.
Like when ligama la
Laser, bro.
I live in thousand. But if you write them, at least people
Some
know
leave
YouTube music.
YouTube.
Well, YouTube music at least you have it. But I'm no J. Because work with laser, no AR. Baleon, Jungle, Diamond. Diamonds, yeah. It was so hard for me when they posted on me. Kuvela igama lakho apha.
Noi.
6 months ago, yabo. Anda.
You know AI can do incredible things, but this isn't. With Artlist's AI, a professional...
The only one. Okay.
Kid.
The slim one.
No, you're not from my city, baby. Are you used to anger? You want me to
If they say that's what my last day be.
like I ship a lot of these every day. Smoking different weed every day. Smoking different shades, different day. Smoke a foreign strain, I feel strange. Push across the road with something in his day. But it's got me feeling like I'm in my bag. If not gelato, shit, give me jungle diamonds. Give me jungle diamonds. Cash out when you had away from me. Bet it's a flex when they see you and me. I don't think she'll ever need. It's something about the way you walk. I pour up a 4 every time I got a rap. She say something about my voice every time I make a win. She don't make excuses and she got a pillar.
I want to say that. That's your story, bro. That's your story.
She in the hood, niggas, we should make a wood. Niggas, I done made some sacrifices, niggas never would. I was all alone and I ain't seen nothing wrong.
It's not my first
I know you not from around here, baby. Know you far away, you're not from around the city, baby. Are you used to anger? You want me to eat more? Like I ship a lot of weed, yeah. Smoking different weed, yeah. Smoking different strains every day. Smoke a foreign strain, I feel strange. Push across the road.
Come on.
Sorry, my boy.
Hey!
Welcome, I'm in the Reg Glen. I'm a talk.
So I'm almost the stream, man.
Talk.
I just got a call from my ex telling me that I'm the best.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Girl, fucked her, moved on to the next
Some
one.
videos.
It's the time to tell you.
Some videos.
I just wanna get some. When I say I go do it fresh, and swear to God, it's gonna get done. I just got a call from.
Hoeveel is het dat Reg nog eens geld in?
Whatever they were saying, not that I'm buying your name, my boy. I've never felt it because and then work, he needs to improve. That thing about cousin Tyler is a chore.
Yeah.
But I've always heard him back. Okay. But the sound, yeah, quite loud.
Yeah, loud.
That's when about cheeky.
Yeah.
Cheeky.
Because Uchiki and I, yeah, it had something.
Uchigi. So I'm not sorry to say Uchigi, no Reg, ne? Because my man
No, Lento, okay, yeah, that's my point. Which is why I'm
Uchigi,
like,
is
Mr.
my man,
Kanye the banner. I love Reg. You know I love Reg. But no, I didn't understand the Reg.
like our friend for
I didn't understand
one of
Reg.
the people who go on dance and
Yeah, when
do you love him because you chose or you listen to the music?
But
Until
practically
you came back.
No.
Until you came back home, Musiji. I've been drinking Commando since I was
Yeah, since I was in Juvie. I was drinking Commando. Reggie boy. Even price mainstream, bro. I don't know how, but this shit.
But I changed because I was trying to get some.
Yeah,
When I say I go do what's fresh, and swear to God, it's gonna get down.
Never mind. Crazy though.
Now quick.
Sample my man.
Quick.
Streets calling.
Streets calling.
You
I'm gonna play 20 seconds.
I just got a call from my ex telling me that I'm running shit.
Streets calling.
I met a new girl, fucked her, moved
I'm a say check. Streets calling. Running at the minute. Olha, que é mais tu tem de ter, vai. Give the track.
Streets calling.
Live twins, yeah.
Yeah, live twins. Diego.
Go. Okay.
She can get in the bitch and
Oh, 1, 2,
Shout out to my nigga Diego. Tell me what you really want. We can stay up all night.
Yeah, we can talk all night. Shake the sheets. Shake the sheets. Shake the sheets. Alright. Let's not let the dog on fade. We don't even know if we copyright the song. Yes, no one's got it correct.
Tell me what you really want. We should stay up all night.
Actually, I'm going to follow myself.
I'm just trying to beat the shit to the bone. If you wanna speak, then you better let me know. I just wanna speak, let me penetrate your soul. Nigga, take it deep, but you gotta let it go. Let a nigga see what you got going on.
You know you gotta stay with me. Friday night, so I wanna go for drinks.
She wanna tell me what it is. She wanna see what it is. She wanna stay right. I got you all in my days. It ain't the same right. I know you waiting your feels. I'm trying to play nice. All of these bitches be trying to kick it with me, but I'm trying to switch your position. Nobody compare to Lil Shorty. I know you ain't even worried about all the text you be checking all on my phone. To be honest, you just been ignoring. Streets
calling. Diego. She back in the city. Stay up all night. We talk all night.
I'm just trying to beat the sheets.
It's coming on the screen.
The district can take you down.
Dog. Yes.
They can take you down. That's why I go to a local Mzulu by the sound effects. We laptop now. Because Mzulu, for the sound effects. Say, I see that Mzulu, that's for now. They make a little bit of this. But,
Yo, sa flag kwa nyanti.
a flavor, bro, the whole time. Whoa. A flavor of plumber. But then, there's a computer.
Yes. Masikene kulenduka. Anayo lenduka sihlala umculo ka Switch. Sipheke kamnandi. Oswitch ku SoundCloud akalendukanga. Never SoundCloud. Kana umfoni yena nimbuzo. Denze ndoni mina. Ikhona inyama iphafu nini? Yeah, funny. Ikhona inyama iphafu. Diego! Ah, fuck you, funny. Nikupili inyama mos. Yeah, ready to switch no ulele ngo. Hello Fish. Boy, call the text mfethu bengifana mhlambi nobuyachayisa ngoku. Xolo mepani ngicela ubuza ngintoni lenduka yakho igama lakho ku SoundCloud. kaloku i-album yakho Afrodex indimane ku-SoundCloud kaloku leyana le Audio Mac ne ngicela ndisakufowunela ekuseni kodwa ngingayilibali le nto i-hard drive sure nkulu ndizakufowunela ekuseni lala fonela ngibuhle uthathe indawo yakho bazokothuka xa ufika umncinci phaa kule nto ungaveli ku-YouTube sibe sishawutana
video
kuthiwa bebehleli nini boyi-two bengahlali boyi-two kodwa kaloku mnja yam kaloku funeka shedlela uzosifisha apha
Audio Mac is Garage Audio Mac.
Kaloku yena kale nto kanga uphoste yena Audio Mac qha yabona ke
yintoni kanti
South-Africa
wena
continuous Fethu sadlala nguthu mos siyalala soyi-two nguthu solala nje yam
Tell me what you really want.
Sixoxe soyi-two basiyisele short
We can talk on
no fuck you bro am I crashing out
Who's crashing out? Because I'm telling you, tell me what you really want. We can stay up all night, we can talk all night.
okay talk
And you saying fuck you. Okay. Let me live it. I got some funny something got Sekavele. I may Uber my 50%, 15 rand a quarter. What about me, sweetheart?
that's black
I suspect.
that's black right there
I suspect I write it then. 4 hours and 4 minutes. That's our waking up time.
4 hours
What time do you wake up?
6:15
7 for 6:15.
ufake wena
Ndivuka nabantwana. Sometimes I like me for 20 past away.
mfethu saza usathanda saza 20 past 5
So I'm saying
for a nigga like me
bro, when you go to laugh, I'm saying abantwana fendini. Sevuke mhlambe abantwana.
hadai
Takes in the John Frank one class one do quite a lot of time. So feel this bad.
yeah go to guy but what
Go this is not the thing. I'm saying it's
Bram OBS behavior bro sometimes but fuck abona ngoku
such a man if I alarm 20 past 6 is
yo
come on the phone in the
yo fuck bro I say it's just in stream right now no 1 hour on the stream no wait shout out stream
I found a good one in the cat I up on the anchor on the sun from now.
yeah
No, yeah, because what's not pillows in the
5 4 3
and then it's being deleted, added, deleted, added.
Fuck.
Hands, track list between.
Dale phuma track akekho usneak unjaya nasekazi mkhaya
Khona one into mazilaba.
khona nkosi ntomdilele ukhona bravo
Wait. When it's check back. Here. Oh, ngutanga ngaba tabasothina lo.
I say you don't.
Pele police.
662.
Sorry. Ngene account abangani.
Uzoyikhathi le wena.
Ngene account.
Yeah?
They can see it.
283.
They can see.
Shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Told you. Yeah. When you want the numbers, yeah. Ciao. Shout out chat. We nimbonile mangini bully. We.
Yes.
Yeah, chat bully.
283 streams.
Flip out. Okay, we'll flip a pamba.
Yeah, good. Yep. I'm in, boy. Huh?
Was it that number?
Ba?
Did we got it?
I don't know. Good on, though. Yeah, good on. I'm so proud of us, bro. Network kaplay kindazweka inqayo ngifuna i-check ayidenduka smoke sama la sorry guys yela ngicela singene ku lenduka wakho mfethu ngicela singene ku TikTok wakho and then sithethe nabantu ba overseas. Ah bro, you're gonna log in again. Ngafuna ushaya nami mfethu. Yeah, I don't need to about we can log out. But bakhona abantu abayi-3 abalapha ndiyazi bangoba some 3 niggas who are bored or chilling with us. I don't know them. Envy me. Myro, about the track, I don't want to lie, bro. Everyone I know who knows this track knows what it means. My bad track. Go this cigarette. like you're representing the mainstream, bro. Let me stream name ukuhlale kule nto. Shout out stream though. Shout out stream. Like, I hope you guys support us. Chimmy's out there cooking, but I hope you guys support us. Like, we like you guys so much, which is why we made means for us to do this shit for you guys. We like you guys, and we want you guys to hop on the stream. But like, we got forced to hop on the stream, but we want you to hop on the stream. We want you to hop on the stream. Like, this is our future. Like, there's nothing else we're gonna do other than this. We're not gonna do nothing other than this. So only you guys are gonna support us in order for us to run equipment, and then we can do e-podcast, which I know you guys are gonna like more than this. But for now, let's stream. Let's get the hottest niggas out in the coast with us. Let's pop out, bros. Let's pop out. Let's pop out. Let's pop out. Otherwise, let's get Membo NT, pass down the neck. You know what I mean? Yeah, well. So, that's the entertainment, bro. That's the entertainment. Yeah, bro. Nah, I'm proud. Then do I spa. I haven't paid no spa. And now, comedy plug. I tell my boys, like, why ain't you telling me, bro? All you doing is plugging. I'm like,
Plugging how?
Like, all I'm posting.
Tell me something a little calm. It's to be in plug and jump.
Uthi bana uthe washo ngombani lenduke uthe mna ndiviewisha into zakhe phasi lenduka qha zibhobhana
Sislow poison. Singaziyo. Yewatsho ukuthi. Bafundile. Sithenga basidibana endlini sesimkhwazi ngapha. Sincokole. Ngizokuzba. Ngizonivasha ngiphi into kulonyaka. Benditsho ngaphathi. La mntu lona kanoya. Uzangixelela ngala mini ebirthday. Ba ayikhambi. Sinyoko into erongo nayo ndisifuna izinto poison. Umuntu bakangibonisa ba kum kanye okhulu.
Ne?
Yeah, and it's the same thing I've been saying, but yeah,
I'm not dying.
I'm
I'm collating. What you better nini wena naye? Dibene nini naye? Come rogin. Boy, I'm gonna see your feet. What the fuck your favorite? Anza starta ngokwam. Khanze qala ndlale track. Inside baby must go. Where's the inside baby? My dog. Yeah. Oh, Chamaipa.
This switch the flows while I got king.
I'm running over the track. Hey, you?
Are you here from the guys? Somebody else?
Go. Wait, better. Sorry. What did you in the hand?
Hand.
I'm satisfied.
Yeah? Oh, child.
You clean it?
Yeah, I was off with Mrs. Song and then we was friends on John. Scott. Check out the panel Facebook on the the panel posted on Facebook is the post yesterday stream, you know?
Yeah.
Today, thank you for the 102 views. Next time, please subscribe. Tapo.
Taco.
That's not my likely.
Tom yum?
Can't food me the song. Now, that's the chance for me. Now, see, some kind of.
The mother.
Yeah, we must stream there. Chumali.
The mother.
My correct thing. You,
Sunshine.
see, the brand song.
Oh, man, Lindu kaya ako lele. Sfoto meza mfethu. Si sefrichini. Ngicemile mos. Just pana mos. Oh, mna ngicaba salayisha i-microwave onini. Nje kunyiwe cha. Yele mara yazi coating wapi? Wase king. Benchi? Kani bavisa coating. Ngiyakho yale. Kebla ngoma yakho ithanda yana.
I'm like a moon.
Zaboya spawn ngasicona stream.
Boy.